Hey everyone, up and down garage doors here. Is your garage door looking a bit lopsided, sticking halfway, or refusing to close evenly on the floor? A crooked garage door is more than just an eyesore. It's a serious safety risk that can lead to expensive panel damage. Today we're covering how to fix a crooked garage door to help you troubleshoot the issue and restore balance. Your garage door system relies on high-tension springs and cables to lift hundreds of pounds. If you see a visible gap in a spring coil or a snapped cable, stop immediately. Never attempt to repair these high-tension components yourself. They can release lethal force. If the door is heavy or the spring is broken, call a professional instantly. Step-by-step pro overview. Step 1. Inspect and halt. Stop using the door to prevent further damage. Check the tracks for debris and inspect rollers for wear. Step 2. Tighten hardware. Vibration can loosen nuts and bolts. Use a socket wrench to secure any loose track brackets or hinges. Step 3. Clean and lubricate. Wipe grease and dirt from the tracks. Apply a lithium-based garage door lubricant to the rollers. Avoid standard penetrating oils. Step 4. Minor alignment. Use a level to check the vertical tracks. If slightly off, loosen the mounting screws gently. Nudge the track back to plumb and retighten firmly. If your door is still uneven or you suspect a cable or spring issue, do not risk injury. Contact Up and Down Garage Doors or read the full guide. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more safety tips.